Almost out. It's almost out. I see the head. Ooh. Welcome back, everybody.
Hey guys.
We're back at it again. Team Addictive right here with the homie Frank, Paco. We got Peter over here. And it's been a while since we made a video, but today was a day to make a video since we got a fucking situation here. And we're gonna go under surgery. Turns out I got no compression on cylinder 4, low compression on all of the rest of the cylinders, so engine has to come off. And don't forget, don't ever think we forgot about you guys. We've been busy trying to stack up money, racking. This is good work 24/7. Here too, Heister driver. But yeah, we've been so busy fucking doing other shit that we haven't had time to record any videos or anything. But today's a new day. Project here, hopefully get it done in less than a month. Let me show you guys what we got here. This fucking engine just took a dump. Now we're gonna remove it, and hopefully it's not that too hard. If you guys have any suggestions, post it in the comment down below. But our whole plan is to take the rack. We're gonna relocate the rack, the battery, to the trunk. Try to relocate the fuse box and some other things inside the interior, because we're trying to have a clean bay here. And stay tuned, because the color reveal will be coming soon. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got the homies putting down right here, putting in work. Fucking Paco always looking fresh doing work. How? That's impressive. You know what I'm saying? Look at our raggedy stuff. See? Look at this shit. This is how I'm dressed up. Look at this shit. But look at this guy right here. Fresh windbreaker. Pants. Look. Shoes. Oh my god, bro. This guy's ready to work. What's going on here? Don't shock yourself.
They just take the ground out first.
They used to come off like this when I just pry them off.
Oh, well, what's your W?
I don't have. Oh yeah, we got a big problem here. Situation. We got no UW40 and a hammer. So you know it's gonna be a fucking long night. You got it? Nice. There you go. Wiggle it. Wiggle it. Ooh. Huh? Damn. Look at, it's a good fucking day. It's not too windy. Might fucking rain though, but fucking posted.
No, 13, right?
I don't know.
Alright guys, don't think this is a how-to video, because we're not professionals. We're just gonna do a quick vlog of what we're doing today, you know, on this beautiful day in Washington. So don't try this at home. Do it on your own risk, because you might fuck shit up. And I'm willing to fuck this shit up, because I need my dailies back. And don't forget Mr. Les Schwab over here. So I think we're in good hands. Look at that.
This one, no?
We finally did a little bit of work. It took us longer than expected, but got to the point where we're flushing the radiator. For those who don't know, there's a little switch back here for the SRT4 owners. Little tab, you can just twist, and then it starts leaking down. There it is. Progress. Thanks to the boys for taking out the intercooler. Shit was a bitch. Ever get that intercooler? Yeah, we took the battery off. Now we start removing the hoses, huh? Yeah. And So far, so good. Shit out. Got everything off. Radiator, fan, manifold.
Daddy,
Got it all off.
Daddy, can you check the thing?
It's already on. They're bringing the meat right now. And we're getting there, dude.
We're getting there.
Little by little. Now we just gotta remove most of these stupid little wires. That engine should be ready to be pulled out. Huh? Good ass day. You got the grill over there. About to grill some shit. The homie Frankie. Looking fresh. Addicted to the SRT4 kid. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. Say who you are, fool. Give me your Instagram.
Addict, what up, man? Chong.
Chong.
No Instagram, Facebook, Chong Press. Did car club.
Hell yeah.
That's it, right? Oh, so
Addictive.
addictive. Sorry.
Got Flacco in the building. Peter. Gerald in the building. You got the weenies? Are they ready?
Yo, man, paddle with yo.
Oh yeah. Deep throat it. This is how far we gotten, guys. Still got a lot to do. It's gonna be a bitch, bro. Here, Carlos in the building.
The guy that had the gear.
That doesn't help.
Remember I showed you? That go like at McDonald's.
Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive.
No Series 86?
On here, Joe.
Nothing.
You want a bite?
Right here. Right now.
Too savage, way. This is what happens when you need muscle power. You call Gerald.
Indeed.
Almost out. It's almost out. I see the head. Ooh. Antifreeze? Damn.
We're good, bro.
You almost got it on my weenie, way. Almost got it on my damn weenie. Like that.
Yeah, we're good, bro.
Oh.
Easy there.
Those pieces? Go over here. Right here. We probably got 5 hours in this shit. Shout out to all the followers, all the members of Team Addictive. Missing out. Got the barbecue. You want a hot dog or what? Alright guys, we're out here. We got like 6 hours into this and we're getting pretty good progress. I'm gonna show you right now. We got the whole fucking front face of that shit. Yeah, it's pretty bad out here. Always fresh Frank. Staying his pants. Look at that.
First time, bro.
Even his hat.
In the hat, bro.
His shoes. I mean, like, but he doesn't care. This is just throwaway clothes, you know? And buys new pair.
That's a man. Real man.
But yeah, we got.
Can't get it, bro.
We're trying to take this fucking header off. It has some broken studs in there and shit. So it's fucking us over. And man, dude, this thing is a. We're almost done though, but we just gotta remove that and then sensors, and it's ready to come out. But check out the front. How does that shit look? Looks like someone just ripped the lips off.
Bro.
Whole front face.
Looks like this card.
Wow. Can't believe we actually did this shit.
Raptor
You can't go backward.
No shit. I'm already regretting it.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, you two.
Fuck the food. Sell the show, where?
So shit.
Some fucking bullshit. So shit happens. But remember, guys, don't ever play with these lines. Stay away from them. Shit happens. Alright, we got the turbo manifold loosened up already. Bolts off. Now we gotta remove the downpipe, which is 4 bolts. And that's where the muscle power is coming in. And the homie got it. Awesome! Damn! Content where?
I was about to. Fuck you.
You got it?
Buzz,
Yeah. God damn, fucking Jero, where? I fucking love you, where? Damn.
Exactly.
Eat my meat, bro.
No. I like when you like cuff and you take the.
No, man. What do you think about all this, where? Tell the viewers for what you think
Man's
about
gonna love this, man.
No,
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
dude, it's not even dark yet. It's already 9 out here. This is 9 p.m. and it's fucking bright.
Beautiful P&W.
Beautiful. Where's the beer?
He went home.
Motherfucker.
I guess there was a fire right next to his house.
Oh yeah?
And his brother was alone at the bowling.
No, man, he's scared. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We're glad to be back at it again. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, like, share. Because we got more shit coming out. We got a big ass project right here. You know what I mean? So we're going to have videos, vlogs, daily shit going on. And the more we do, the more we're going to post about it. And want to give a shout out to all those followers, subscribers who actually come back and look at our videos. Much love to all of you. And anything else there you want to give out?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Yeah,
Keep watching.
keep watching because it's all day. Dan, give him a little dance, fool. Like that shit, right? 300 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
We got to 300 subscribers, like I promised. Spicy noodle challenge coming, and we finally got the homie Frankie. He's gonna come and do the little spicy noodle challenge.
Damn.
And we're gonna get back at you again with that one. Don't think that we forgot. We still got it in mind. I got the noodles here. It's just that everybody's working 14 hours, and we're gonna get this shit going. So stay tuned for that. I also want to give a shout out to everybody. Alright, like I said, for everybody who comment their IG name on our video, we're going to give a shout out. Special thanks to all of you guys, MVPs. First one, Mr. Sanchez, CVNCHEZ from San Diego, Califas. You know what's up. Keep watching them. Anthony _2429. Always say what's up. What does it say? Burnt spark plug. Burnt spark plug from, is that Virginia? VA? Yeah. Virginia. Make sure to go follow the homie. He got some clean ass red SRT. And the homie Omarcito _19. You know what's good. This has a clean ass Evo. He has a clean ass Z2. Putting in work. He's Mr. Buff Guy. So make sure to go follow this guy. Subscribe. And I mean, oh yeah, he has a channel too. Subscribe to him. And with the homie Lorenzo SC. Homie is lit as hell. Follow him. Thank you. Thank you guys. Static Jose. Thank you. PFK Motors. Make sure to subscribe to their channel as well. He has good content. Good ass blogger. Ese Panchito. You know what's good. I think he's from, what the fuck is that? Where is it? Wapato? Somewhere over there. Somewhere, Yakima. There's a clean ass Honda though. Dishes and shit. Alright, follow the homies. Underscore Pancha underscore from gay ass Othello. That's what she wrote. But yeah, we like that shit. You know, keep it up, keep coming back. Follow the homegirl and SRT4 from Riverside. Always showing that love. And we got more here, dude. Hold on, we got another video here. Like I said, I'm doing all of them.
Oh shit.
Just because you guys took your time to actually go and do this for me, which means a lot. And since we hit 300 subscribers, we gotta do this shit. Alright, the homie. Oh yeah, make sure the homie RS Creations. I'll leave the link down below. Go subscribe to him. He has a clean ass motherfucking Lexus bagged, and he's putting so much updates on it, dude. This guy is doing amazing work. Yeah, he's fucking doing badass work. We got Joel Diaz, Ghostman, little Ghostman here. What's good? Yep. El Omar from Quincy. Look, yeah,
Is that Game On?
Quincy. No, Rodriguez.
Oh shit.
Diego Rodriguez 519. Follow the homie. Follow. Like, he's always at. I think. I was just like, man. But thank you guys for doing this shit. Much love. And the homie Jeronimo Silvas. Make sure to subscribe to his channel as well. He has new blog coming out. Freshman. He's freshly graduated as well. And single. Look over here. Turn around. Turn the camera around. There he is. There he is.
No. I don't see my ass. That's good. Gang, gang. Hey.
Gang, gang. That's how we do it, fool. And this is how we end the night. So make sure to come back, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Team Addictive, and follow the homies. You know what I'm saying? You know who we are. This is your boy, Minty SRT, crazy hair, Mexican YouTube blogger, and that's it, boys. We're out. Peace. Peace. Yeah.